Financial analysts lacking modern analytic fluency struggle to inform strategy. They depend on lagging reports versus insightful models, crippling strategic planning and decisions. Present data ineffectively without overlaying impacts projections. Leadership second guesses their guidance due to inconsistent accuracy and value. This intensive course delivers expertise in analysis techniques that drive decisions and performance. Master data modeling, statistical analysis, visualization on actual company data. Build models encompassing investments, operations, transactions. Attendees gain versatility translating numbers into strategic guidance through compelling briefing skills. Organizations benefit from amplified analysis capabilities enterprise-wide. Modern analytics fluency informs planning by equipping teams to quickly model competitive impacts, sensitivity, future scenarios. Present insightful briefings that capture attention and provide a forward-looking guidance. Leadership has reliable projection models, enabling strategy and decisions to drive sustained growth. Individually, financial analysts unlock versatility, meeting expanding responsibilities with technical analytics mastery and communication excellence. Positioned to advance into influential strategy and planning roles. Enroll now to amplify analysis impact, strategic contribution and individual capability. Growth through modern analytics mastery.